Hi guys, welcome to another quick tutorial from tabletmastered.com, giving you some tips on how to use your iPad. Today we're going to cover something that's quite simple, but it does bring up a lot of problems if you're new to the iPad. Now, here I am just at the home screen. As soon as you unlock, you'll see this basic screen. You've got messages right at the top left, FaceTime, photos, camera and so on. But one of the things that most people do as soon as they get the iPad is work out how to download apps from the App Store. Now once you start doing that, the iPad will fill up fairly quickly with games, apps, whatever you've downloaded onto the iPad. Now a problem that people run into is how to remove an app once you don't want to use it anymore. There's lots of demos on there for games, maybe you don't want the full version, things like that. You just want to remove it from your iPad, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do. Now as I say, this is the main screen. I'll just show you with the mouse cursor here because I'm actually streaming my iPad screen to the computer, so I'll just show you. You can see a mouse cursor here, but you obviously on your iPad you won't see this mouse cursor. It's just so I can show you. These apps, if you will, come straight out of the box with the iPad. You've got iTunes, Contacts, Maps, Messages and so on, Clock, FaceTime, all the apps on this main page that we come to. You don't really want to get rid of them. There is a way that you can do that, but I'd suggest that you leave them there. The ones that you want to get rid of are the apps that you download from the App Store, which is here. I won't open it up now, but if you've been in there and you've seen all the apps that you can download, you're obviously going to fill up your iPad fairly quickly. Now if I just swipe across my finger, you could see the next page, and this is normally where all your apps will be. You can see some of mine here. Now quite simply, all you need to do if you want to remove any of these is I'll just pick this Sleep Relax one here. As I say, you won't have a mouse cursor on your screen. It's just to show you. So I'm gonna pick this app here and I'm gonna remove it. All you want to do with your finger is just touch the app that you want to remove and leave your finger on it. You see how they all start to wobble, and in the top left you've got an X which basically allows you to delete it. So if you then push the X with your finger, you'll get a message come up like here. Like it says here, delete Sleep Relax. Deleting Sleep Relax will also delete all of its data. At this point I can cancel, or I can push delete, and you see it's gone, and they're still all shaking. So if you want to stop them shaking and you don't want to remove any more, all you have to do is down here where the mouse cursor is, the home button, you just want to tap that once and it will stop them deleting, like so. Now while I'm here, that's how you remove an app from the iPad. But while I'm here, I'll just show you another thing you can do in exactly the same manner as removing an iPad app. You can move them around. So let's say here, I'll just show you with my mouse cursor again. You've got Audi e-catalogues here down at the bottom. If I then do the same thing and I put my finger over the app and I just hold it down, you can see them all start to shake again. And then if I select an app with my finger and just move it where I want it on the screen, you can move it around like so and put it where you want. Now it basically, what you can actually do is, if I take that, I can move it down the bottom here, and you can have up to 6 apps down the bottom here. That's quite handy. Obviously you wouldn't have the Audi one. I'll just push the home button, which is here, to stop them shaking, and you can see that it's down the bottom. If you know, these apps down the bottom here where the mouse cursor is are the ones that you're going to use a lot, but I'll remove that. So I'm going to remove it. I'm just going to put my finger on it, hold it down, and then I'm just going to push X, and it will say deleting e-catalogues will also delete all of its data, Yes, delete that, and it's gone. So, and then to stop them shaking again, just push the home button once. And that's how you remove an app from your iPad once you finish with it. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next videos. Cheers!